Looking for a reliable brokerage with extensive research tools? Consider Fidelity, a well-rounded brokerage that stands out in the crowd. This is not just an ordinary brokerage, it's a one-stop shop solution for investors, offering zero commission for online stock and ETF trades. One of the many strengths of Fidelity is its high-quality mobile app. Designed with user-friendly interfaces, the mobile app offers a seamless trading experience whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of investment or a seasoned investor looking for more advanced features. This app is highly rated on both iOS and Android platforms, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Another unique feature of Fidelity is its provision for the purchase and sale of fractional shares of stock. This means that you can start investing with less capital, making it a more affordable option for many. Fidelity doesn't just stop at domestic markets. It opens doors to international markets, giving investors the opportunity to diversify their portfolios beyond geographic boundaries. This feature sets Fidelity apart from many other brokerages. In addition, Fidelity is known for its extensive selection of funds. Among these are its own line of Fidelity funds, offering investors a diverse range of options to choose from. With competitive costs and comprehensive fund offerings, Fidelity stands as a strong contender in the investment world. Fidelity also offers a web-based trading platform. This platform, alongside an advanced platform for active traders, ensures that every investor's needs are catered to. From the casual investor to the day trader, Fidelity has a platform for everyone. Let's not forget about Fidelity's customer service. With 24/7 phone support and branch offices spread across the US, Fidelity ensures that its clients are never left in the dark. Fidelity's research capabilities are second to none. With various screeners for stocks, funds, and ETFs, investors have access to extensive information to make informed investment decisions. However, every rose has its thorns. Fidelity's options commissions are higher than some other brokers, and its margin rates are higher for most investors. But considering the overall package, these are minor setbacks in an otherwise impressive offering. To wrap up, Fidelity offers an all-inclusive solution for investors. From its high-quality mobile app to its extensive research capabilities, from its diverse fund offerings to its robust customer support, Fidelity proves to be a reliable brokerage with a lot to offer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, Fidelity's comprehensive services and extensive research tools make it a top choice for your investment needs. So why wait? Start your investment journey with Fidelity today.